Alright, hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mari and I drive a 2015 Infiniti Q50, which is the car behind me. And for today's video, I will be installing some side skirts, hopefully. And the reason I say hopefully is because before this, I was supposed to be installing my front lip video, but I didn't check the box and I just opened it on camera to find out that it didn't come gloss black, like it came a non-painted. Like, I'm so mad. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna hope that the side skirts are gloss black. So I'm going to build these little side skirts and see how they come out.
I feel in my mind. I wanna dance tonight. It's in the air tonight. Yeah. You know it's all your fault. No, I don't wanna say no. You broke it down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you?
Alright, so after I think I just got really overstimulated and very stressed out. So I just decided to take the rocker mode off. So the rocker's off. I probably should have done this from the beginning, but sometimes I like to choose the longer route and then I get stressed that I chose the longer route. So then I end up having to use the easier route anyway, so I just wasted a bunch of time. For anybody who's wondering how to take it off, it's literally, it's a bunch of tens. That's all it is, a bunch of tens, and then one screw at the back, and then two clips. I'm supposed to have something in the front, but there's nothing in the front already, so, oh, because I took off my little piece in the front, that's why. But yeah, that's all it was, so pretty easy to take off. Should have took it off in the beginning, but you know what, it's okay. Let's get back to it.
I lost my composure. I got love to show you. Would you let me love you? We love you, baby. I got nothing to unwind.
Okay, so I seen that it said you can cut this excess, which, oops, slowly destroy my rocker in the process. A lot of excess rocker, and obviously that would hit my wheel, so I don't want that hanging out, so I'm gonna cut it. Yeah, so as you can see, I accidentally ripped right there, but it's okay guys, because it's my fault. Everything is my fault today. I don't know what's going on. I didn't keep cutting. I just like went for the yank, so I kind of chipped it right there, but I'm not too mad because it's right at the edge. But I did go back with my grinder and I kind of cleaned up the edges. It's not perfect, but I cleaned it up because before it was kind of like this, like the half circles, because that's where I cut it. So I did go back and clean the edges. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put this one back on. Well, I'm going to put a couple more screws in it, and I'm going to put it back on the car, and then I'm going to see how it looks, and I'll show you guys, and then I'm going to go to the other side, which I probably won't show you guys because you've seen me struggle on this side, but the other side should come out better because I learned from my mistakes. And then after that, I'll show you guys the full car. Okay, so I have the side skirt back on. I have to bolt it back up, but I just want to show you guys how it looks. This is how it looks from the top. And if I stand back, okay guys, so this is how it looks now. As you can see, there's like a huge dip. Like, I don't know why it doesn't want to, yeah. I don't know if it's just because it's, oh, I don't know why I'm speaking so close. I don't know if it's just because it's cheap or what, but yeah. This side, the other side has it a little bit, but it's not as bad as the right side. Okay, so I had to put it in 0.5. So you see if I move this down, that'll go up. If I move this up, I think it's right here, like where these two connect is the problem. All right, so I'm gonna have to go back in and fix that. But for right now, that's gonna be in this video. I do appreciate you guys watching. Once again, this is my 2015 Infiniti Q50. If you guys like my video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. And if you have any comments or any questions, I'll make sure I get back to them. Thanks for watching.